Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. So, the first thing that you can do is change the power mode to best power efficiency, and to do that, right click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to power and sleep settings. Then open the power mode and change it to best power efficiency for both your device when your device is plugged in and on battery. You can also consider using an energy saver by expanding this tab and either turn it on manually or selecting the battery level at which you want the battery saver to start automatically. If you select always, the battery saver will turn on when your device is unplugged from the charging source. And you can also go to screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, and then select change the value of turn my screen off after, and select the recommended value, and then do this for each other setting. The next thing that you can do is change your device's screen brightness. To do that, click on the three icons on your status bar to open the control center, and then change the value. Change the brightness by moving the slider either to the left or to the right. In order to decrease your brightness using shortcuts, use Fn and F3 to decrease it, and F4 to increase it. Just set the value at which you are still comfortable with using your device and make it as low as possible. Then you can also check which applications drain the most of your battery by right-clicking the taskbar, going to Task Manager, then open Processes section, and in Processes, right-click one of the columns you see right here, select Power Usage, then sort the devices by power usage and see which applications are high on power usage. To close these applications, right-click and select End Task. And that's how you get rid of power consuming applications. After that, you can also check the connected devices. To do that, again, open the control center, and here make sure that your Bluetooth is either disabled if you don't use it, and if it's enabled, then click the arrow icon next to it, and check the devices that are connected to it, and make sure that you disconnect the devices that you do not use, aren't using currently. And Bluetooth itself also consumes your battery as well as the mobile data, so turn it off if you don't use it. Next, keep your device up to date. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, and go to Windows Update. Then click Check for Updates. And see if you have any updates to install. Additionally, you can go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and here you can find some useful driver updates that will also make your device work better. And this way you can keep your software in touch with your hardware. So that's always a great thing for your device's battery. Now, if it finds any updates, then simply click Install All. And once they are installed, you may have to restart your computer. You'll be notified either right here or with the notification in the bottom right corner of your display. You can also take care of your battery using Control Center application. Check if you have it by opening the Start menu and going to All and finding Control Center. And if you don't find this application here, you'll have to install it manually. To do that, open your web browser, then search for ACER drivers, find the official acer.com website that says download ACER support drivers and manuals, open it. Then find your serial number and SN ID on the back cover of your device as it shows right here. The device has to have the serial number and SN ID on the back cover, and it looks exactly like this on this laptop. Once you find one of these numbers, simply enter it into this field. Then press enter to confirm, and this website will detect your laptop. Now on this page, scroll down scroll to the bottom of the list, expand the application menu, find the ACER Control Center application, click download, wait until the zip file downloads. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, so open the zip file, then copy the folder inside it. Press Ctrl V in downloads folder to paste it right here. Then open the setup file. Click yes, then go through the setup process. Basically all you have to do is accept the user agreement and then proceed with the installation by clicking next, and finish. And for me, I'm not gonna do this because I already have Control Center on my computer, so I can only remove it using this program. Now once you have the Control Center on your computer, open the list of your applications, find the Control Center. Sometimes it takes some time for it to appear here, then run it. Let me try again. Okay, let me reopen this application. And once you open this application, first go to this tab. Here, go to Startup Application, click Optimize. This way you will also optimize your startup applications and make your device work better, and your also your battery will be less burdened. You can also delete junk files by expanding this tab and clicking clean and clicking OK. And once you're done here, go to the checkup section, and here you can find the battery health tab. Click check now and check if your battery is in a good state, because if it's not, then the only solution to your problem would be replacing the battery itself. And you can do this by either contacting the ACER support center and telling them about their issue and then sending your laptop to them, or just heading to the nearest laptop repair center and letting them care of your device. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.